Having foot fungus is a common condition caused by microscopic organisms that grow in warm, moist areas. If a person walks in a warm place such as a dressing room, showers or pools, organisms can invade your nails and cause an infection. And it can look very unsightly. It causes thick nails and at some point they lose colour and start to break. In severe cases it can be very painful. Although in most cases it can be treated by a doctor, there are home remedies such as VICKS VAPORUB, which is shown to make progress against foot fungus. A recent study looked at why VICKS VAPORUB or similar products can be so effective at treating it, even where traditional treatments fail. The study isolated an ingredient called thymol, which is naturally found in the herb thyme. Although toenail fungus is usually treated with oral medication prescribed by a doctor, some people treat it with VICKS VAPORUB. There is evidence proving that VICKS VAPORUB can cure fungal toenails in some people. This is largely due to its ingredients including menthol, camphor and eucalyptus oil. These ingredients may have antifungal properties that inhibit the growth of the fungus in toenails and allow it to grow to a new healthy one. The ointment should be applied to the affected nails every day. Researchers at the University of Michigan found that daily use of VICKS VAPORUB cured fungal toenails of 32 people from a total of 85 participants. It took 5 to 16 months to completely eliminate the infection, which is comparable with other treatments of fungal toenails. VICKS VAPORUB has no side effects, which can make it a good choice for people who have problems with oral medication. Oral antifungal medications can cause skin irritations in some people and can also cause liver damage. Patients with congestive heart failure or liver disease may be unable to take an oral treatment, so VICKS VAPORUB can be a good alternative for them. It should be noted that VICKS VAPORUB is not approved by the Food and Drug Administration to be used as a cure for fungus toenails. The company does not recommend using it to treat nail fungus. If you still want to use VICKS VAPORUB to treat fungal infections, then this is the best way to use it. You need to clean and trim your toenails, wash them well and make sure they're completely dry, then coat the toenail with the VICKS and be sure to get the gel deep into the sides of the nail and as far underneath as possible. If you have any cracks in your nail, deeply rub the VICKS into them. Once the nail is covered, then wrap a light gauze bandage or adhesive bandage around the nail to protect the VICKS from rubbing off onto your socks or something else. Leave it on and let the gel absorb into the nail. Repeat daily. The time it takes to notice results can be anywhere between 10 days to 6 weeks, depending on how deep your fungus is.